Hey Songbird, over the past 10 years, I have shared with you many of my favorite exercises for beginner singers. Today, I want to actually show you the best of the last 10 years of the beginner singers exercises. So I hope you enjoy them.
Sorry, my first tip is when you breathe, breathe without sound. Okay? So instead of going, which is what we normally do, okay, so if you can see, my chest and my shoulders are rising up and I'm actually gasping for the air. You see, what happens when you do that, like that, right, is you basically, all of your throat just closes in, okay? And you no longer have the freedom, your vocal folds no longer have the freedom to vibrate freely in order to produce a beautiful sound. And so it starts even before you sing, it starts at the breath, and the way you inhale that breath is super important. So what I want you to do is practice breathing in without a sound. So all I want you to do is kind of drop your jaw down and let the air come in. So instead of going as if you're grabbing air, right, I just want you to drop your jaw and then expand your tummy. Okay, the breath has come in already, but you haven't had to work so hard for it. Try it again with me. One more time. Okay, so that's just something to practice and to get your mind thinking in that way. It's actually something that a lot of singers make the mistake of, even very highly advanced singers. Okay, so it does take some time to train. It's really about a change in mindset, but it's going to be something that's going to make your singing so much less effortful. Okay, so a lot more effortless is what I'm trying to say.
You can sing freely and effortlessly by making sure your throat is fully open and not constricting on your vocal cords, by preparing your throat with a yawn stretch as you inhale for a new phrase, like this. Inject some resonance into your singing. If you want to make sure your songs are perfectly in pitch, a great habit to get into is practicing all of your songs on a bright and buzzy ming ming to ensure everything is buzzing high and resonating beautifully forward. So this is how you do it. Choose a song and then just sing ming ming on the song instead of the lyrics, like this. Ming 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 ming. Ming, 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 ming. And then sing the lyrics right there. Everybody loves the things you do, from the way you talk to the way you move. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because it actually helps other songbirds just like you find the videos and learn how to sing as well. Now, if you'd like to learn more about how to sing well as a beginner, please go and check out this playlist right here. Many videos that you can actually dive deep into and learn more. And if you want to take your voice to the next level and go even deeper, go to my website and check out my online courses and programs. I'll see you there.